So welcome back to the channel, and today I've just received delivery of another Wix order. So Wix is a DIY store here in the UK, and I've just ordered some more Einhell products, which are this fast charger and battery 4.0 Ah 18 volt from the Power X range. Starter kit, that one. But I've also ordered a Einhell cordless grinder here, which was £84 on the Wix website, and it also came with this battery pack and charger. So this one is a 2.5 Ah 50-minute charge battery. So what we're going to do is open this one first, see what's inside the box. As you can see, the seals have not been broken on it, and simple unboxing video to see what it entails. Now, on the Wix website there was a cheaper one around £50. However, this one was slightly dearer at £84, but did come with the free battery. So there was some slight differences in the actual grinder. Now we have instructions there. Metal guard for the grinder. Box with the screw-in handle. So you've always got it with you. Very good idea, that. Amount of times I lose that tool, put it in a toolbox somewhere, forget where you put it, and then you can't get your grinder open. Get the disc out the grinder. Put that to one side. Nothing else in the box. There we have the grinder. So we have left and right operation for the handle, so whichever you prefer. Now, some grinders that you can buy also have one there, this one doesn't. And sometimes you need to hold it like that. Not a lot to be said about it, it is quite self-explanatory. All the bump there that comes with it. You attach a disc there. We'll probably need to get some discs for it at some point. It's a quick release guard as well. That can go wherever you need it to go. Grinding like that. I'll switch there. So this is the battery and charger. Now, you may remember me doing a video on the Einhell 18 volt vacuum cleaner. So this is why I've basically gone for another kit that included the battery. So I've got some spare batteries. You might as well get them while they're going free. And also I got that one because it was an extra charger and an extra battery for, I think this was £50 for the battery and charger, and the battery on its own is nearly £50. So I thought, well, might as well get the charger with it. I can always sell the charger on eBay or something. These batteries are very good, really nice and solid. They come with an indicator to tell you how much charge there is in it, so that's on too. So it's got loads of charge. Fits nicely onto there. It's surprisingly quiet is that, I mean, it doesn't sound like it's, my cat's just run off there. But again, you know, it is surprisingly quiet. So we have another battery here, which is the slightly bigger one, power exchange. And again, they're just very easy, they just fit on, slide on like that. They've got a nice feel to them, which is what you need. The angle grinder itself has rubber grips, so you can get a nice grip to it. Even with the big battery, it's still fairly light. I mean, obviously I'm used to handling big tools, me, so have a bit of strength in it. So there we go with the unboxing. Not a lot to be said about it. Got the chargers here. So let's compare the two chargers now. Both identical really. Nothing much different there. Like I said, I can always sell one of these on eBay. I have already got one of these chargers. I do like to have two chargers when I've got power tools that need batteries. For the simple reason is you can keep one charging, or if you need to keep two charging, or you can keep one at home charging a battery, or in your workshop, etc. The good thing about these battery chargers is they do have the option of being wall mounted, so you can actually mount them on walls, or you could mount them on some sort of board, so you could put them in your toolbox, for instance, or in the back of your van. If you use a power inverter in the van, you can charge your batteries up on the move. And they do come with these little keyhole things, so you can mount them or fix them in place, which is always a good thing, because if they're actually on the wall, they're just, it's my daughter's birthday, by the way, so me doing that. So you can actually mount it sideways or like that. So, oh, should I say, yeah, no. There's a straightforward 13 amp plug, and that is actually an adapter plug. It does have a 2-pin, probably can't see that. There is a 2-pin plug, moulded plug on it, which has now got an adapter on, so that they'll have had to put that on for the UK. And obviously that charge is the same, it's identical, like I said. So effectively I've got 3 chargers now with the one from the VAC as well. However, it did come free with a grinder, so like I said, you might as well pick them up while they're free. So yeah, there's not a lot I can tell you about this now, because we're not on a job or anything, but we will get it on a job very soon and see how it performs. I am trying to get like these reasonably priced cordless tools now, because obviously when you're working on people's properties, they don't need to be in if you've got cordless tools and you're working outside. And obviously they come in handy as well, because you don't need to find anywhere to plug them in and mess about with extensions and lengthy cords. Cordless tools are the way forward now. They've greatly improved how they work, because batteries never used to last very long. So the batteries are working a lot better than they used to do. So that's why I'm starting to replace my tools. But I do like having the selection of batteries for using tools. The bigger ones obviously hold more charge, so they last longer, and the smaller ones make it more lightweight depending on what you're doing and how long you're doing it for. But it's always good to have a backup anyway, because it always tends to run down when you're not expecting it. So there we go, fairly short video today, just to unbox the Einhell. Here it is in front of me. It feels good, it looks good, feels very solid at the moment, and like I said, we'll get it on a few jobs, see how it performs, and then we'll do another update review on the Einhell TEAG 18115 Li. Powerful, and it was aimed at more of the DIY market. This one is probably aimed at more of DIY / tradesperson. I mean, there is kind of a guy demonstrating it on the front of the box there, which suggests it's somebody in a workshop who knows how to use power tools. So that being said, nothing else I can tell you. I'll just tell you on there, nice slim design and low vibration. I didn't feel much vibration when I had it running there. However, we will get a disc in this and start doing some cutting. We'll do that in another video. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and push the notification bells. We do appreciate every single person that's doing that at the moment. Everybody who supports this channel with just a thumbs up or subscription does greatly help the channel and helps us purchase tools like this, because I am not sponsored by anybody, and I don't get paid for doing these videos except through the revenue that is generated through the advertisements that appear. So I do appreciate everybody who watches the video, so it does help with YouTube viewings. That being said, a lot of people who watch the videos don't subscribe, even if you not interested in the channel. Sometimes it's just worth hitting the subscribe button just to say thank you to that person for making the video, and that goes for anybody who's making videos. We're not all actors. We don't get paid for it through companies who give us the tools. Some of us do actually go out and buy these things and show them to you, because we've got nothing to gain by selling you any products. But I will leave links down below for where I've got them from, and you can make your own opinion if you wish to purchase them. Then we're not trying to sell you anything, we're just showing you what we've bought. So once again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.